All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here. We are proud to present this 2018 Dodge Charger. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful white with the black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, heated seats, 38,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks damn good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread here is, let's see, under 730 seconds. Let me double check. Under 730 seconds. Above 4. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. In this quarter looks great. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. It's a rainy day here, so the car, it's all water everywhere. Tire threads likewise. 330. Under 730 seconds, above 4. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks great. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you people. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Also has push start system. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your heated seats right there. Boom. Your backup camera. Pow. AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. See no lights on, any issues. Your mileage of 38,199. All right, keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Got the keys. Here is your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks great. Does have sensors. Looks really good. Your trunk spacing, what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right there. Your deck lid looks good. Your quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's, rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does it have some curbing? No, it does not. Under 730 seconds here. That's just some dirt. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have rear AC vents. This door looks good. Here's the other side. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see any curbing on there. And your tire thread, likewise, under 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2018 Dodge Charger, the SXT model with 38,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.